So I'm gonna take what's that one?
First,
Baking
what
soda,
needed?
we need
That
this
name is
one and baking soda. So I'm just gonna take this out and put
Name
first
and
one
show
there.
the name.
Get there. 1, 2,
That name?
experiment volcano. 4. Yeah?
What is this? Put it. That powder name?
I already told that baking soda. Critic eye.
Citric acid.
Citric acid.
Citric.
Citric acid. How much we have to put in the? Okay, wait. So I have to take red food color, not food coloring color. I put 1, 2, 3. I put this now. I have to take this. Put 1, 2, 3, 4. Then finally my favorite part came.
You did not close it properly.
Yeah. He's all out. Just gonna mix this thing. Yeah, I mixed this and I'm keeping all out. I have to take this.
What is that?
That's liquid soap.
Liquid soap.
Yeah, liquid soap.
How many drops?
4 drops.
Okay.
Wait. 6 drops. Then I have to mix it and keep it here. I just put this
Citric acid.
citric acid and what's that? Yeah, citric acid to this thing. Just,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
just
Oh my god. Oh my god. People, did you saw that? How it is overflowing.
volcano.
You tell me how to use recipe.
Wait.
Balloon edukku?
I want to try something. The balloon, okay? Yeah. No,
That won't work.
glass.
వేడించిరిచి ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్